There will be days when everything that can go wrong will go wrong, but then there will also be days when you will take care of yourself just right, and that's such a liberating feeling.
Hello, I'm Nistha and welcome back to another video.
Today's video is about living away from home, a journey of transformation, learning, self-awareness, and self-dependency.
And trust me, it's a journey that is going to change you in ways you never imagined. If you're someone who is about to begin this chapter or already in it, I hope this feels like a warm and honest conversation. Let's begin. I shifted to Delhi in November 2022 for college. It was my first time living away from home. I started living in a PG.
The first challenge was figuring out food because I was living in a non-fooding PG.
I got the tiffin service for the first month. I hated that food so much that I switched to another one that had a daily WhatsApp menu system. Like you choose from the WhatsApp menu, they deliver and you pay.
I started cooking a little bit around that time, like basics, khichdi and all. By the end of the first year, I started cooking my own meals, and that continued till the last year.
From making Maggi at 12 am to cooking a proper meal at 1 pm, experienced it all. 3 years, 3 different roommates, and living with all 3 of them was great.
We would cook together, go on walks together, and share everything. There were times we would do so much banter together, laughing our hearts out. We became friends. But it's not always that easy. Sometimes you both have a bad day. There are problems with shared responsibilities. Sometimes you don't really like each other.
But eventually you figure it all out by having a conversation about it, and that's when strangers become your family. You start sharing your deepest, darkest secrets with a person you didn't even know a year back. I made another friend in the PG, someone I could just hug and let it all out. Coming to college, the first year is all about exploring, meeting new people, joining different college societies, exploring the city with different people, and doing the things you only once dreamt of.
I remember the first time I traveled in the metro alone.
It was 31st December 2022 only. I went to ISKCON with few of my college friends. We went together, but I had to come back alone by metro, and that was my first time traveling in the metro alone. I was nervous at first, but made it. By the second year, you get to know things better. You choose who you want to hang out with, what college societies you want to stay part of. Overall, you just become more confident about everything.
And the best thing that happens when you're living away from home, you start to enjoy your own company. That feeling when you're sitting on the terrace at 2 am, it's all quiet, just your favorite song playing softly. You're looking at the night sky, you build a silly little world of your own. For me, it was built around books, diaries, walks, my comfort people, and knowing myself better.
One of the best experiences that I can think of was going to attend a live show of Jai Singh. He's a storyteller that I truly admire. On a November evening at Cyber Hub Gurgaon, I was literally so excited to go there, and I was so fascinated when I reached there, the Cyber Hub. It feels like that I'm in a completely different world, and attended the whole show, great show, and I was so happy that I have done this alone, and I'll remember that forever.
Another best part is the freedom of choice. You get to choose who you want to hang out with, what hobbies you want to pursue, how you want to spend your time, and where you want to spend your money.
It's up to you how you exercise it. I've made a lot of blunders, I've made a lot of mistakes, but that's how you learn better. Living away from home is quite an empowering feeling. Of course, there will be days when you will feel homesick. There will be days when everything that can go wrong will go wrong. But then there will also be days when you will take care of yourself just right, and that's such a liberating feeling. So to anyone who is starting this journey or is already a part of it, please explore things, people, experiences, and most importantly, yourself. Be curious about things, have faith in yourself and the universe. Dare to do the unconventional. Just don't get yourself in trouble. You will be alright.